Welcome back to Study Sprint. Let's take a look at how to solve word problems related to ratios. The question is, Molly, Peg and Demi share 42 sweets in the ratio 3 to 2 to 1. Work out the number of sweets that each one of them receives. So now our first step is to write down the data that we have. We have the ratio of the number of sweets from Molly to Peg to Demi, which is 3 to 2 to 1. We also know that the total number of sweets shared between the three of them are 42. That means that 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 42, because 3 is the ratio for the sweets that Molly gets, 2 represents the number of sweets that Peg gets, and 1 represents the number of sweets that Demi gets. So the total of them would be 42 sweets. Next, we're going to simplify it. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now we need to find out what 1 represents. So 1 represents 42 divided by 6, because there's 6 parts, and 6 parts represent 42 sweets. So 1 part would represent 42 divided by 6 sweets, which is equal to 7. Now if you take a look at the ratio, 1 represents the number of sweets that Demi gets. So that means that Demi gets 7 sweets. Now to find the number of sweets that Peg gets, we're going to multiply 7 by 2, which is equal to 14, because 2 represents the sweets that Peg gets. And to find Molly's, we're going to multiply 7 by 3, which is equal to 21, because 3 represents the number of sweets that Molly gets. Now our answer is that Demi gets 7 sweets, Peg gets 14 sweets, and Molly gets 21 sweets.